what's up guys, it's Banu here from androdollar.com. So here I have the very first retail unit of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus here in Sri Lanka. So I have already made a few Galaxy S10 videos here in the channel, but this time let's go ahead and unbox the official packaging. So I got this thanks to iDealz Lanka. I'll have details about them down below in the description. Definitely go ahead and show them some love as well. So without wasting any more time, if you're new to my channel, smash that subscribe button right now and let's go ahead and unbox the all new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Alright, so here we have one of the first Sri Lankan retail units of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So let's first have a quick look around the device. First off, at the front it says S10 Plus. On the left hand side it says Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and at the back it lists down all the specifications along with the details of the device. And on the right hand side of the box there's absolutely nothing. And at the bottom you can find the color, the model number, the IMEI number and all of that other information. As you can see, the device still comes wrapped in plastic. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and break this box up and get rid of that plastic. The box itself has a matte finish and there is a seal at the back of the box. So let me go ahead and break it open right now. After breaking the seal, all we have to do is lift the top part of the cover and we can find the device sitting right there at the top. This time around Samsung has added in a pouch with all the information to the top part of the box. So here we have a pouch with a SIM ejector at the back of it. And opening it up, we also find a free TPU case included in the box. Next we can find the quick start guide and other manuals. So now let me leave all of that to the side and let's go ahead and take the Galaxy S10 out of the box. Let me leave it to the side for just a sec to explore the contents inside the box. And the first thing that we find here is a free 128GB micro SD card included in the box. But mind you, not all retail units will ship with this free micro SD. This is a limited offer that is available at the moment. Next we find the adaptive fast charger that is capable of quick charge included inside the box. And after that we find a USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter. Next we find the USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable, and finally we find the headphones that are tuned by AKG that are included inside the box for free. Now let me put all the contents that we got inside the box so that we can go ahead and focus our attention on the Galaxy S10 Plus itself. So here we have the Galaxy S10 Plus, and let me quickly go ahead and peel off the plastic. Alright, so let's do it together, shall we? The first thing that I noticed when I got the Galaxy S10 Plus is that it includes a free plastic screen protector that is already applied to the device. I think this is the first time Samsung has done this and it's a really nice touch. But spoiler alert, it is not that durable, so I highly recommend you to find a reliable tempered glass that works with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner and use one to avoid any damages in the future. Anyway, now let's go ahead and boot this bad boy up for the very first time. It says Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and it says powered by Android at the bottom as usual. After the Samsung loading screen, we have now come to the setup screen. So let me quickly run through the setup over here. If by any chance you are interested in the complete setup process of the Galaxy S10 Plus, I'll have a dedicated video for that coming very soon right here on Andro Dollar. So definitely stay tuned if you want to see the complete setup process of the Galaxy S10 Plus right here. Upon completing the setup of the S10 Plus, we are now in the home screen, and going into the about phone area under settings, we can verify that this is indeed the Galaxy S10 Plus and it's running Android 9 Pie along with Samsung One UI. Now let's focus our attention on the Galaxy S10 Plus. So here I have the Prism Black Galaxy S10 Plus, but the S10 Plus also comes in other colors such as Prism White, which I already showed off in one of my previous videos, Prism Green, Prism Blue, Ceramic White and Ceramic Black. The glass model of the Galaxy S10 Plus weighs in at 175 grams and it packs a 6.4-inch Quad HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED Infinity O display with a resolution of 3040 by 1440 and a pixel density of 522 ppi, and this display is HDR10 Plus certified. What Samsung means by the Infinity O display is the punch hole that you can see at the top, and in our path to a bezel-less device, this is the next stop that we are taking after the notch. So now let's go ahead and talk about the design of this phone starting from the top. So here we have the SIM card tray along with the secondary noise cancellation microphone. On the left hand side we have the volume rocker along with the Bixby key, and at the bottom we find the speakers, the USB Type-C port and the 3.5mm headphone jack. Samsung is still keeping the 3.5mm headphone jack alive. If you still love using your 3.5mm headphone jack, you can rejoice. On the right hand side we can find the power button. However, the power button placement is really high, so to be honest, upon initial impressions I'm not a big fan of the position. Having a look at the back of the device, we can find a 12 megapixel telephoto camera, a 12 megapixel wide angle camera and a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera at the back of the device along with the flashlight. At the front of the device, right there at the top, we can find an earpiece, and we can also find two cameras at the front of the Galaxy S10 Plus in that punch hole. The first camera is a 10 megapixel selfie camera and the second camera is a 8 megapixel RGB depth camera. At the front of the Galaxy S10 Plus, we can also find a ultrasonic fingerprint scanner built into the display. So it's a really nice and convenient way to use this device. Now let's go ahead and talk about the specifications of this device. Some versions of the Galaxy S10 Plus are powered by the Snapdragon 855 processor, and the versions coming to Sri Lanka will be powered by the Exynos 9820 chipset. There's 8GB of RAM along with 128GB of internal storage, which is expandable by using microSD cards, and there is even a premium model of the Galaxy S10 Plus with whopping 12GB of RAM along with 1TB of storage. As you can clearly imagine, the S10 Plus comes with a lot of power packed inside, so let's go ahead and put it through some benchmarks and see how well it does. So I ran through the Antutu benchmark on the Galaxy S10 Plus and it got a total score of 332,126. So here are the detailed stats of the device. Now you can compare it against whatever device that you have. Trust me, it's really insane. Talking about the battery, the S10 Plus packs a 4100 mAh battery that can be fast charged, but unfortunately it's still using the 15-watt fast charging. I think I've been spoiled after using the Huawei Mate 20 Pro's 40-watt supercharging. So hopefully Samsung can bump up their speeds next time around, hopefully with the Note 10. The Galaxy S10 Plus also has very loud stereo speakers and it's a pleasure to use. Another cool thing about the Galaxy S10 Plus is it has power sharing feature that is similar to the reverse wireless charging feature that we saw with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So I plan to put that to the test in the future, so definitely stay tuned right here on Andro Dollar for that video as well. And the best part here is, even after all of this, the Galaxy S10 Plus is still IP68 water and dust resistant. Last year I didn't really recommend the Galaxy S9 to a lot of people who had the Galaxy S8 or the Galaxy S7 because it wasn't really a big upgrade. But this time around the scene is completely different. Even if you have a Galaxy S9, the Galaxy S10 gets my seal of recommendation because the S10 comes with a lot of awesome refinements that improves on the Galaxy devices before. By the way, I already have some other Galaxy S10 videos here in the channel along with a tips video as well as a comparison between the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So in that I compared the ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner to the optical in-display fingerprint scanner on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. And I also put the face unlock of both devices side by side. So if you want to see the results and see who actually won that, definitely go ahead and watch that video. I'll have a card right here as well as a link down below in the description. In the time that I used the device, I really enjoyed using the cameras at the back of the Galaxy S10 Plus as well. It seemed to be pushing out pictures with much more detail and saturation, and the best part here is now we have a ultra wide angle camera on the Galaxy S10 Plus. If you guys would like to see a dedicated camera video featuring the Galaxy S10 Plus, let me know by dropping a comment down below. And if you have any other video suggestions for me featuring the Galaxy S10 series, let me know and I'll make it happen. Just for you to get an idea about how good this camera is, here are some camera samples. I didn't find the night mode on the Galaxy S10 Plus to be as good as the night mode found on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro and the Google Pixel 3. But Samsung can surely improve that with software updates moving forward. And talking about software updates, immediately after I got the device out of the box, there was a software update waiting for me. So the first thing that I did after I got the device was install it. Finally, I know a lot of people are waiting to hear the price of the Galaxy S10 Plus. So the 128GB model of the Galaxy S10 Plus starts at 187,990 Sri Lankan rupees. Like I mentioned at the start of the video, I picked this up from iDealz Sri Lanka, and here are their contact details right now on the screen. If you talk to them, don't forget to let them know that Andro Dollar sent you. If you want more information about this device, or if you want more details about the pricing and availability, definitely give a call to the number that you see over here. I will have all of these details down below in the description as well. And if there are any changes to the pricing, I will update that down below in the description. So definitely go ahead and check out the description for all the important updates. Let me know down below by dropping a comment which version of the Galaxy S10 series is your favorite, whether it's the Galaxy S10, Galaxy S10 Plus, or whether it's the Galaxy S10e. If you want to know the difference between each model, you can read my article linked down below in the description, and there's a card right here for my article over at androdollar.com which goes over everything that you need to know about the Galaxy S10 series. Well guys, with that we come to the end of this video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, definitely go ahead and share this video with all of your friends all over social media. Well guys, like I mentioned, this is an exclusive video of the Galaxy S10 Plus unboxing right here in Sri Lanka. If you found this video to be cool, definitely go ahead and smash that like button, and definitely go ahead and hit on that subscribe button right now for more awesome tech videos just like this in the future. If you are new to my channel, definitely go ahead and hit on the notification bell icon next to the subscribe button as well. That's how you will be notified each and every time I upload a new video here on YouTube. And follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar for all the behind the scenes and updates. That's where I'll be posting all the camera samples and updates as I use the Galaxy S10 Plus. Stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world, and let me know by dropping a comment down below what you think about the Galaxy S10 series. Well, with all of that being said, until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing off.